I'm Sean Carruthers and welcome to How Do I on Butterscotch.com. This series we're taking a look at the BlackBerry PlayBook from Research in Motion. This episode we're going to talk about the cameras found on the BlackBerry PlayBook. Now the BlackBerry PlayBook has two cameras built in, one on the front which is 3 megapixel and one on the back which is 5 megapixel. Either of these can be used for video conferencing, but of course you can use them to take pictures and shoot videos. To get to the camera application, swipe up from the lower bezel to reveal the multitasking menu in the applications. Look for the icon that says Camera and then tap on it. When the application opens up, the rear camera will be active to start with, and a camera button will appear to the right or the bottom of the screen depending on your screen orientation. You can tap on the camera button to take a picture. You can tap on the screen to bring up more options including zoom, geotagging toggle, and the ability to switch to the other camera. Tap the camera switch icon and it'll switch to the other camera, of course. When you tap on the screen, a zoom slider will appear and you can move that up and down and zoom in or out. Now because it actually uses digital zoom to zoom in and out, it'll actually degrade the quality of the image slightly when you zoom in or out. Unlike other tablets that use lower quality cameras, this isn't as big a problem on the BlackBerry PlayBook, but it will still degrade the image from the images that you're used to when you're zoomed all the way out. When you tap on the screen, you also see just above the zoom slider an indicator showing what mode you're in. You can actually switch between a couple of different modes. To get more menu options, you'll swipe down from the top bezel to get into the camera options. Here you have the ability to switch your mode from auto to sports if you want some faster action, or to whiteboard mode. You also have the ability to switch your aspect ratio to 4:3 if you prefer. You have the ability to turn image stabilization on or off, and you have the ability to go into your picture library. Now on the main screen next to the camera icon is an icon that will switch you between still and video mode. Tap on it and the camera button will switch into a red record button like on a video camera. You tap on that red button to start recording, and then again when you want to stop. As with the still camera, tapping on the screen gives you the ability to change between rear-facing and front-facing cameras by tapping the camera switch icon. One thing to note here is you can't actually change your camera while you're in the middle of shooting. So if you're shooting already, you'll have to tap stop, and you have to switch your camera, and then start recording again in order to continue in the other camera. You swipe down from the top bezel to change your shooting mode. Again, you have the ability to shoot in auto, sports mode, and whiteboard. You can also change your video size from 720p to 1080p if you want a higher quality image, or to 480p if you want something a little bit lower res. You can also open up the Videos application from this menu screen. Now at any point you can go and see the photographs you've taken by going into the main screen and choosing the Pictures icon. You can see the videos you shot by clicking on the Videos icon instead. For more information on how to use the BlackBerry PlayBook, you can see the other episodes in this series. You can see the show notes for this part of the series and all the other parts in the series at Butterscotch.com.